All right, when we're looking at patterns, the easiest way to start looking at the pattern and finding how it increases or decreases is to count the tiles. So for figure 2, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tiles. Figure 3 has 13 tiles. And figure 4 has 17 tiles. Okay, so here's how you can find your pattern. From figure 2 to figure 3, it increased by 4. From figure 3 to 4, it also increased by 4. So this is a steady rate of change. And so to state the rule simply, you would say it increases by 4 each time. So figure 5 would have 4 more tiles than the previous shape. I want to make a table that has the figure here and the tile pattern here. And sometimes it asks us to find figure 0, 1, and then this has 2, 3, 4, and then it wants us to probably find 5. So if figure 2 has 9, figure 3 has 13, figure 4 has 17, figure 5 would have 21 because I added 4, right? And now if I work my way backwards, figure 1 would have 4 less than the previous one. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and then figure 0 would have 4 less than that. So it would have 1 tile. So this table is important because it helps us create the rule. And the figure is going to be our x on our graph, and our tile is going to be the y on our graph. So the equation is going to be y equals, so you get the output or the y value of this table by taking four times x, so 4 times this first number, plus whatever our 0 term is here. So 0 for x and 1 for y is important because it's our plus in our equation. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So if I test one of these points and I put 5 in, 5 would go in for x. 4 times 5 plus 1 does give us 21, so that is the correct rule. Let's take a look at the second pattern. Okay, so again, let's count the tiles in each shape. So this one has 9. The next one has 16. And I think this had 25. So this one actually is not probably going to follow our normal pattern. Let's see. 9 plus what gives us 16? 7? Does 7 plus 16 give us 25? No, it's 9. So this is going to be a weird pattern, and we're not going to be able to write the rule like we did in the last question with an equation, because the next one's not going to be just adding 9. It's going to be adding 11. So these are all odd values, and they're called consecutive odd values. So if I was counting by odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are all of those values, and they're consecutive, meaning in order. Okay, so figure 5 would have 11 more than figure 4. So figure 5 would have 36 tiles. And if I went back to figure 1 and had to find figure 1, it would have 5 less than the previous figure. So if figure 2 is 9, figure 1 will have 4 tiles. Okay, hopefully this helps.